Hello， 大家好， this is Wendy. Welcome to my Mandarin class. In today's video, we are going to learn how to type Chinese characters with QWERTY keyboard with your phone or laptop. Make sure that you have subscribed my channel and hit the bell so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, let's get started. First teach you how to type Chinese with your iPhone or actually any phone. So first you need to add a new keyboard. Turn on your setting, general, keyboard, and then add new keyboard. So you can find Chinese, simplified, and QWERTY. So here you have the Chinese keyboard. And then let's open the note. So you just need to type pinyin here. 你好 and you can only type just initials NH for 你好. Another example, 订阅 please subscribe my channel. Now vowel U you need to substitute into V, so 绿 LV actually 绿色. You can type only the initial LS for 绿色. There are also many other options. You can scroll down to find that one you want to type. Let's see, next example is 谢谢. You can only for XX 谢谢. And last example is 再见. 再见. How to type Chinese characters with your computer. Same is here, so you need to add a Chinese keyboard first. Click your system preference, keyboard, and I have two keyboards here. Add plus, so you type in Chinese here, and then there is Chinese simplified. You find pinyin and add, so you can have the keyboard for pinyin now. Let's click on the Word document and choose pinyin. So you can type just pinyin here. 你好 and choose the correct one that you need. See, another example is 谢谢 XIE. You can also only type XX, but you need to find the correct one. Last one and same. 再见. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for today. Leave a comment below if you still have some questions. Share this video if you find it useful and give me a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. 谢谢，下次见。See ya!